Hey guys, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial, and this one's going to be quick, easy, and makes a perfect gift. You guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today's tutorial is a gift of sorts. As I'm thinking about it now, I'm in Wisconsin. It is not time for school yet. We don't start school typically until beginning of September after, I always get the two holidays mixed up, I believe it's Labor Day. After that holiday, school starts or right around that time. But I know in other parts of the country, school is already starting, so it got me thinking. And I was like, Mom, what would be a really fast, easy gift? Because now I homeschool, but before I homeschooled, we usually would arrive at the, what do they call it? We drop off all of our supplies and stuff, a couple nights, like open house, and give the new teachers for my kids a gift of sorts. So that's what I thought we would do today. Super quick, super easy supplies found at the dollar store. Except for the wood flowers. You can get those from us. So let's jump into it. I hope you enjoy this, and this could definitely be warped into different ways in order to make other gifts very quickly to give to someone. So let's jump into it, shall we? These supplies needed a box of some sort. I found this at the dollar store, which is no longer $1, it's $1.25. But they had all sorts of different shapes and different sizes. I went with this one because it was a little bit bigger. You could also possibly use like a cup that would hold pencils, pens, things like that. But this is gonna work really well. We're not gonna use the top at all. But you need some sort of cylinder. And then what we're gonna use is crayons to decorate this. You could also use pencils. I have some of those too. Found at the dollar store. You would want to cut these down, so there's a little bit more work. These, less work. Quick, easy, less work, and pretty dang affordable. So crayons are needed. I am going to use a little bit of floral foam. I have 2 pieces of Greenery. This one is brand new in the shop as I'm filming this with our fall release, but it also gives me kind of a summery vibe. And then this was a past Greenery that we no longer carry in the shop, so I'm sorry about that, but it's so pretty and I had to use it. And then of course, an air conditioner kicks in. Hold on. Sorry about that. It's still full on summer here. And Sola wood flowers. You don't need a ton of flowers. I'm using some that kind of give me the vibe of sunflowers. I believe those are, I think that's Charlotte. Don't hold me to that. Sophia, LaFleur, and I think I've got I'm not sure, another rose. I feel like this is either Thelma or Louise. I always get those two mixed up. So in various different colors, already stemmed up. Hot glue you will need, and that's about it. So let's jump into it. Vikram is all ready to go. We won't need that top at all. Actually, maybe. Hold on. I might use that as a border, so to speak. I just want to see. Okay, so as we're looking, why don't we see if that top. Yep, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna keep the top of this on the bottom so that I can keep all of my crayons going the same way, or the same like height, and keep everybody all lined up nice and nice. All right, so the crayons are done. I did mess up slightly and one is just a little bit out of the, somehow I started going tilted. It happens. I'm not that concerned or worried about it. Also, don't blow into, like, to try to move some of the floral foam. If you blow on it, it will come back up and get you right in the eye. I mean, I don't know how that, I mean, that's what I would assume. Not that I've ever done that more than one time and never have learned my lesson. Anyway, now we're gonna start with the greenery. I'm gonna start with these. Those are the two I'm gonna use. I don't think we're gonna use anything else. Put in some flowers, but if we need to put in some more greenery, I have bits and bobs all over the place. I'm actually staring at some right now that I might actually just go grab. Yeah, I'm gonna grab those. And then we'll get to adding these in. Alright, you guys, there you have it. A super quick, easy, adorable little gift to give to somebody. You could have also left the little top, or what was the top on the bottom, but it does say party with a cupcake all over it. So, but you could take something out and put something on the bottom maybe. They put a sticker or something that has like the date and the name of your child and things like that. Lots and lots and lots of different options, but this is just a quick, adorable teacher gift that you could easily make real quick right before you have orientation. That was the word I was looking for earlier. That was the word. There it is. So a couple items from the dollar store, a little bit of hot glue, greenery and flowers, and you are all set. You also don't have to go quite as wild with the greenery if you want. You could put a lot more flowers and then just snuggle in little pieces of greenery throughout, but y'all know how I typically work, and that is all of the greenery and all of the flowers and extra, extra, extra. Just because I am does not mean that you need to be. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like and comment down below. If you're gonna make one of these, that would be lovely. If you're loving this channel, can't get enough, wanna know when the next time we post a video, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. To find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers, along with craft supplies and greenery, go to ohyourlovely.com, but before you do, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, I will see you right here next week for another tutorial. I hope you have a lovely day, and we'll see you super soon. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.